babysitting now, so I need to eat in my room while I look after her. Do you like Mr. Bean? Yeah? Really? Getting food and waiting for the Walking Dead to start. For the Walking Dead to start. For the Walking Dead to start. What are we doing now? Watching. What are we doing now?
We are watching the Walking Dead. We are watching the Walking Dead.
Yay! Yay!
Previously on The Walking Dead.
I'm doing a backup of my laptop, but I needed to be plugged into the router directly. So it's been there for like 5 hours now because it's got like 400 gigs of stuff to back up. So let's see what the progress is. Remember, 3 is always number 3. Good number. Never eat less than 3 of anything. Okay, so finally the backup is ready. It's late again, like normal, and I'm gonna go to bed now because I'm really tired. So tomorrow is Monday, and I'm doing nothing like all the other days. So Venezuela is fun. I'm waiting to get my papers in the Italian embassy before I leave anywhere else. So hopefully I can do that really soon. And then I leave and go somewhere in the world, who knows. So we'll see. If you have any suggestions where to go, let me know. So good night. I'm gonna go to bed now. Good night.